capital of the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so you're in Manila right now.
Oh. Ano sa Research World?
Where?
Research World. Ano sa Research World? Maxim.
I'm sorry, I don't know where that is though.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Ganda-ganda mo talaga.
No, sir!
What?
Very, very cute.
Very cute.
Nasa bahay niya. To my house. Where house? Where the house?
Why are you asking me? You're asking me where? One more time, one more time. I want you to do it properly. Okay, ask me again.
Yes.
Okay, what did you say?
What did you say?
Continue.
What did you say daw? What did you say? Your... Sabi ko? Where you in the house?
Where's my house?
Yes.
Why? If I tell you my house, are you going here?
Huh? Because you're... I'm going to house.
1, 2, 3, come on!
You're gonna go to my house.
Yeah.
Why?
You're... Why daw? Why? Para... Your meat? Yes. Wow.
Do you want to meet me? Why? Why do you want to meet me?
You may see your body.
What?
Your all body. Your stand.
Why?
May I see?
Why?
May I see? May I see?
Why?
Yeah, okay.
What?
I'm not.
Why do you want to look at my body?
Oh, no. That's my... No, ito na may body lang. Ano daw yun? Bakit daw ko siya pinatatayo? You may stand. Stand.
Why? You need to tell me a good reason first.
Because, I see, I need your body.
What? I don't understand. I really need to understand. What do you mean?
You're my height.
Oh, you want to know my height?
Yes.
How about what's your height?
From the height na sabihin ko.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Ano daw height? Ano sasabihin ko? Ang height ko. Anong height ko? Ako kaya? Mga 5'11". 5'11". Your house? Yes.
I'm 6'2".
6'2".
Yeah.
6'2". Oh. You're Americano, di ba? You're Americano. Americano? Americano?
Oh, I'm American. Yeah, I'm American. How about you?
Yun. Yeah, American daw siya.
Can you tell me more about yourself? Because I really want to talk to you.
You're my kiss.
Continue.
What? What? What did you
always, you're American. You're very, very beautiful.
Peter me to say thank you very much. You're handsome as well.
Yes?
Yes?
Mag-Tagalog ka naman.
Huh?
Marunong ka ba mag-Tagalog? You speak the Tagalog?
What?
Ay. Speak Tagalog. No.
What's that?
Don't stay English. Don't say English.
One more time. Don't what?
Don't. You say Tagalog. Don't stay English.
You don't want me to speak in English.
No, you're Filipino.
What?
Filipino, no, speaking. I'm not English. Understand?
Oh. So, ibig mong sabihin, kuya, hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, mag-English.
I'm sorry. Nahirapan pa ako.
Ano?
Marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog. Bakit di mo sinabi kaagad? Ikaw na una mag-English eh.